Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and before you're going to see the main theme of this video, I wanted to make few updates. And as I mentioned in one of my videos, we are selling our house and we got offer, and we are about to move from this place to apartments in approximately 3 weeks. So it means two things. One is a very good one. We are about to build our next house, and second one, I'm gonna lose access to garage and my projects will be slowing down even more than they were slowing for the last few months. But the reason why my project slowed down big time, I hurt my hand, and as you can see on this video, I cut my right wrist, and it was not a very good experience. I had to go to emergency room and they put like 15 or 16 stitches. I need to double check that, and I lost functionality of my right hand for approximately 1 month. So that's why I was not posting anything significant, and my 535 project technically was just sitting in the garage. And you can see, guys, I got my headlights back. Can you imagine, guys, 4 months of waiting and they didn't even start doing anything? So I'm very disappointed with this. If you know somebody who can modify my headlights, I'm not looking for like discounts or sponsorships. I'm willing to pay full price. I just need them to be done properly, and I'm looking for something unique and custom. So if you guys know somebody, or you can hook me up with somebody, just let me know in comments or just message me on YouTube or Instagram. And right now I'm going to install Precision Raceworks Coils, which I ordered for my 535 project, and let's just switch to that. You guys just witnessed unboxing of these new goodies that I bought for my station wagon for my 535 project. I decided to go with a cheap eBay intercooler. The reviews on this one are pretty good. I hope they're not fake, like not fake reviews, but people were installing these on 535 XIs and they had no problems and say performance is way better than the stock one. It's like half price of VRSF intercooler, so I decided to try this one, and if it's not gonna make any difference, then what I'm going to do, I will just install this one in my other station wagon, the one that I did not plan to modify, and then for my 535 project I'll buy a brand one like VRSF or something better. We'll see how it's gonna perform, because intercooler is kind of pain in the butt to replace, but it's not that bad. Although I don't have any problems with misfires right now, but I decided to go fancy and I bought Precision Raceworks Coils, and I only read positive reviews on these ones. Yes, they're expensive, probably double the price of regular coils, but everybody's praising them, and if you're gonna go stage 2 turbos and push more power to your N54 engine, these are the must to have. So yeah, these are the new stuff I bought for my station wagon project. And right now I'm about to start installation of Precision coils on my 535 wagon. I'm gonna remove my stock ones first. Just gonna follow their instruction that I'm gonna link in the description below, and for this one I need to remove this panel that holds wires. And as I understood from their video, it's the hardest part of this install. So I'm just gonna put my camera on a tripod. And now you just guys saw me removing top cover for this tray, and now I need to remove this lower part, and this is probably the hardest part of this install. It's just removing this wire tray over here. Yeah, it's mounted on two 10mm bolts, and it's actually just the whole tray is held up on these clips, like you can see them over here. Yeah, and once you start popping them up from one side, I would put probably something inside, like a cardboard or something, because they are very easy to pop back. Now I'm about to place coil pack onto the bracket that's sold as a kit, and they just go like this. And according to video that I watched on Precision website, they have to go with this lettering up, and that's what I'm going to do too. Now I got it the way it's supposed to be. So there are two holes, on one of here over here and another on the other side, for original 10mm bolts. They just have to align, and you can see that hole over here. And if it aligns on this one, we got it correctly. So I'm gonna just secure it on one 10mm bolt. And now second one, it's a little bit harder to get to this one because of this wiring loom. I'm just gonna tie it up by hand, make sure it's not gonna go anywhere, then I'll secure it with a socket. And next I'm going to connect these coils to these things over here. And I'm almost done with organizing my wires. The lower part is looking nice. I think it looks very clean. The tubing that Precision Raceworks provides with the kit worked great on this part, but for the top one I need a bigger one. So I just have to run to the parts store and get it. But at this point I'm just gonna leave it like that, and let me just reflash my car with MHD app and we'll start it up. In an MHD app I have to go to flash MHD map. I'm gonna select this version. I'm gonna go stage 1 plus because this is what I have license for. Then we have to go to options, and coil pack is over here in the hardware support. So we click on this one and select Precision Race, then go back and let's write the map. With MHD wireless adapter, it's a really fast procedure, takes like less than a minute to flash it. Okay, and the total time it took was 1 minute 7 seconds. And let me turn off the car and wait 30 seconds. And before I go for a test drive with my Precision Raceworks coils, let's just do cold start. I'm going to place microphone approximately 45 degrees, maybe like 3 feet from the exhaust pipe. do turbo swaps, we're gonna redo exhaust completely one more time. So yeah, it's going to be like third setup, but it's fine. To lose hearing. I want to see if I feel any difference. Yeah, car pulls pretty good. I'm happy how it's turning out. I have stock turbos, stage 1 plus MHD tune, and what else? And precision Raceworks coils right now. So yeah, these are the only modifications. Oh, and a straight exhaust. I totally forgot about that. Definitely feels a lot smoother. I can tell you guys there is a difference. Not a whole lot of difference, but this is whole idea of tuning. It's not like you install one part and boom, your car is like 300 horsepower faster. Yeah, it's one thing adds a little bit here and another thing adds a little bit there, and this is whole idea of tuning. So, and it's definitely not cheap, but it's totally worth it. It's totally worth it. I love how responsive my 535 is. It's definitely way faster than stock 535 wagon. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Let me just open the hood. We'll take a look at these coils one more time. I still haven't went to the store to buy a bigger tubing for this wire loom, but as of right now it's not touching anything, so it's totally safe to drive. And like I said, I love how my car responds right now. I cannot wait to install my stage 2 turbos, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna take my car to the shop and somebody will do it for me, but first I'm about to receive inlets and outlets from Vargas. So when I'm gonna receive all these parts, we're just gonna do it like in one, it's gonna be just one project. Stay tuned for that, and I promise you guys the next video about 535 will be 100% about stage 2 turbos, because I cannot wait any longer. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.